Hey, how you doing? My name's Don. We bought the kayak, the Explorer two-man boat, K2. But what we like about it is when we go out, we're gonna take our grandkids. So we're gonna make it like a one-man raft without the second seat. The grandkids can sit in it. They'll be lower down inside, a little bit safer, I think, for them. But one of the biggest questions that I've seen on Amazon that nobody's answered is when you are in the lake, if you jump out of it in the middle of the lake, can you get back into it without your feet touching the ground? So let's do a demo. You're in the middle of the lake and you go out off the boat. Now note that my feet are not touching the bottom of the pool. I am floating. And it's this easy to get back in it. There you go. So my wife and I bought two of these to use as one-man rafts. And when we have the grandkids camping with us, they could sit down in front, a little bit lower, they're a little bit safer, they're less apt to fall out. Still have enough room for a little ice chest or whatever. So the two-man raft actually makes it a real good one-man raft with your grandchildren's occupancy. Haven't had no problems with it. Thank you very much.